All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Fair. Fair. Yeah. To be equal and treat other people, animals or things the same. So equal. Yes. The same. I want fair treatment. They need a fair judgment. She wants a fair idea. A good idea. Equal and fair. Yes. It is a fair system. That was a fair plan. Yeah, quite equal. Yeah. Yeah. So, I gave them fair warning. I gave them a warning, gave them a warning. That's it. Quite equal. She treated them fairly. These were fair guests. They were treated fairly. I like their fair behavior. It's all fair. Yeah. So, I need a fair plan. She wants a fair house. That's equal, fine and good. He needs he would like a fair pay. Makes sense. They are demanding fair treatment with the doctors. How cool is that? It could be a fair system. It depends on things. Yeah, it depends on things, but it could be a fair system. Depends. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I gave them all fair treatment. I treated them all the same. All the same, yeah. The way they were treated is all the same. Yeah. I was always fair. Simple as that. And we are writing a fair proposal. The fair proposal had some unique ideas for us all. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. That will not be a fair deal. Yes. We only work with people that give fair ideas. I only like it when they do a fair treatment with other people. All the same, all fairly. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, to be treated equal. People, animal, things, the same. How cool is that? A fair plan, a fair pay, fair idea, fair treatment. How cool is that? So, can you use fair in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.